Hi, this is Brandon Balderas of Borrachos Apparel. We're here at Trucking for Kids. I believe it's the 34th year that they've been doing this amazing show, and just happened to run into Mark, which is the owner of this beautiful truck, which is really like an iconic vehicle here on the West Coast. I myself remember seeing it on the freeway as a kid, and it disappeared, and then like it's risen from the dead, I guess you would say. It's here. So this is Mark, the owner of the truck. Maybe tell us more about the history for the people that don't really know the legend Ironsides.
Well, the truck started out, it's a 79 KW. It's got a 525 Cummins in it, 13 speed.
Nice.
Bob used to drive it, worked it for many years, and then it finally parked it. And when he retired, it sat in Riverside, or Paris, California. And then I got it. The trailers are, there was 2 casino trailers that he would back to back, so you'd walk through 40 foot. Go walk in.
Awesome.
Walk in one.
How cool is that?
You walk in the front of one and out the front of the other. So it was 80 feet of casino trailer.
That's what I'm talking
so he
about.
would take those to shows. Yeah, it was just a rolling casino.
Nice. Nice. Some like prohibition stuff. I could dig it.
Right,
Yeah.
right. But yeah, it was. He was out of Montebello. He used to haul for Eastman Kodak, so he had a fleet of trucks, which we can go in and see later. And yeah, it was just an iconic truck, and hated to see it, sitting behind a barn. So
Yeah, how did you find this truck? Because I, like I said, I remember it disappearing and not seeing it for years, and then voila.
Right. I've actually been friends with the family since '81. I was 11 years old, and I actually have a picture of me standing in front of the truck when I was 11.
How cool is that?
And I always thought someday, I'd end up buying it, hopefully.
And here you are standing in front of it again.
2013, I got the truck. Last year, we got the trailer, thanks to Mark and Keith Pounds.
Good friends of mine.
CV,
What's up?
yeah,
Yeah.
CVT.
Yeah.
So we got the trailer from them, and last year, the week before the show, we brought it out, cleaned it up, and
So where was the trailer at this whole time?
Bakersfield. The trailers have been in Bakersfield for probably since 2010. Just sitting there,
Were they sold to like different people? You said this thing was parked in
actually,
Paris.
it's kind of a Fast Eddie. Fast
Oh
Eddie.
yeah.
Fast
Rest in
Eddie.
peace.
Rest in peace.
This is a big deal for the show. He was a part of it.
Yes, sir. He was. Fast Eddie was gonna buy the trailers, and before he could do that, then he passed away. So the Poundses ended up with them, and they just sat there. Didn't know what they were going to do with them. So I had asked him last year if I could pull one of the trailers to the show, and Keith Pounds said, "You know what? You got the truck." He said, "You know, that trailer belongs with
Most
the truck."
definitely.
The other trailer that's up there, it's pretty well rotted. The roof leaked. It's beyond repair.
So you're like.
So I got the best one of the two. Keith said basically that trailer belonged with the truck. He said, "You know what?" He said, "Just
It's like
take it."
reunited like Peaches and Herb. You know?
Exactly.
I can dig it. Do you mind like
Exactly.
showing us around?
No.
And
no,
telling us
no.
more about it? Because I'd like to know. 'Cause
Well, as you can see,
it's California's gold right here.
Right. All the lights and Ironsides everywhere.
Oh
the
yeah.
Bumper, it's got a bunch of etching. All the windows are etched with his. Actually, that's like Bob's mural that he always had painted on everything. The tanks are etched.
Wow.
And actually, the truck is actually in.
That's amazing.
Right
I didn't
there.
even notice that
Yeah.
when we first walked up.
They're getting kind of thin. I need to get somebody to re-etch it, but yeah, it's getting thin.
I just remember seeing this thing going down the freeway
Oh yeah,
as a kid, and it was like a UFO with all the lights
all
and
the
stuff.
lights, and at one time it had double rows of lights everywhere.
Yeah.
But we kind of did away with that when it kind of redid its little, whatever you want to call it.
Check this out.
Yeah, that was, yeah.
That's like old school security right there
Right, and
to
look
keep
at the
you
handle, look
out.
at the handle.
Yeah.
The mirrors, the actual mirrors are etched, and there's lights in behind that, and they actually, the etching and the ladies light up.
Wow. This is too cool.
It used to have, the motor was all chromed out, but it's just, a lot of that stuff's gone by the wayside from it sitting for so long, and so
What does it look like on the inside there, Mark?
Yeah, it's a good question. I wanted to ask myself.
There's,
That's definitely taking you back to the past.
yeah, it needs some interior work, but slowly but surely, hopefully we can get it back to what it was.
Nice. Now, for some that may recognize Mark's voice, Mark, how do we know each other?
We did a rolling interview. I don't remember when.
We need the mic there, Brandon.
Oh, I'm sorry. I was like in awe.
We did a rolling interview, and I don't remember what year it was, but it was the Willows, wasn't it Willows Truck Show?
Is that the All Peterbilt show?
No, that was the Dynaflex.
Right.
The Dynaflex Willows Show. And yeah, you did a rolling interview.
And we met by chance on the highway there.
Ooh, yes,
We
yeah.
got to meet in person here just this morning. So that's
Right,
cool.
right.
So let's move to the inside of the trailer.
All right.
This is definitely
And
some
we got-
California
Oh, no,
cool
that's
right there.
California gold. Nobody has spokes anymore.
No.
You can't find those anymore. On the back, Bob had BW and lights that lit up on, well, that's on there and the trailer.
Yes. So I'm gonna go up first.
You want to go up first?
Yeah.
After you.
So we got some standing right there. There's a
Okay.
light there. Tell us what's on the walls.
These are all pictures from the early '90s, different truck shows that Bob went to. A lot of them are from Sierra Sids. There's some from, I think, Anaheim truck shows.
Oh yeah.
A lot of these are from Christmas parties that Bob would throw, 1988. Different ones from the VW. And they would have quite the parties in here.
I can just imagine.
So where's this at? This says 1983, but do you know where that is?
Honestly, I think he did RG Canning car shows, and he kind of went around to different car shows down here, different places. So I do not know exactly. Like this one, Pomona Truck Show, 1986. That was basically his old fleet. Then there's some pictures down here of a newer fleet. And like most of these are just pictures of, friends that, like this is Kenny Weiland's truck. A lot of people know Kenny Weiland from down here. He's been around Southern California. He's passed away. His truck is down the road a little bit. This one is Buzz Shoemaker. He's kind of a legend from Chino and out here from back in the 80s, hauling hay.
All right, so I'm going to go down to the end of the trailer where I get a little bit more light to spill in here.
Okay.
And we can pick up on the casino.
All right.
And also introduce who we have here hanging out in the end of the trailer, unless they don't want to be on camera.
No, that's all right.
That's amazing, all these pictures.
Oh, we need the microphone. This is my wife, Robin. So now we have lights. So basically, all of these pictures are just different, just friends that Bob had, and Sterling Transit. They were big back in the 90s. A A lot of these are from, like I said, from Reno Truck Show.
Yeah, here's Trucking for Kids right here where we're at.
Those are back in the Palmdale days.
Oh, I remember
So-
that's when I started going
Yeah,
about
that was when
over
it was
20 years ago to LACR. Yes.
LACR. That was
this
back in the.
This was where we met.
That's awesome.
Yep, in 2000
I-
or 99.
Funny, I met my
99.
wife at a truck show as well.
That's
We met trucking.
yeah, we did.
Good times.
So there is, and I shouldn't show this on camera. There's a picture of me in 1988 here.
Oh, we gotta see that.
So I don't.
Nice.
Yeah, that was
And
so,
your dad.
and my dad.
So, what are your plans for the trailer on out? And
Well-
truck and trailer on out.
Eventually, we
Restore it.
would like to get it back to what, just restore it, get it back to what it was. I would like the truck to look like basically, how it did back in its heyday with the stripes and all the murals and pinstriping. It got repainted, and it needs to go back to what it was in its heyday. That's what the motor underneath the hood used to like in that picture there, which it does not anymore. The guy that owned it, that's actually the guy that, and his wife that owned the truck. That was back in 1982, Bob Wilson and Shirley Wilson.
So there's a lot of history on these walls.
There is.
There is.
Bobby Blandino, which a lot of people from down here know Bobby Blandino. That's his
Oh, yeah.
Freightliner. You know Bobby Blandino.
Oh, definitely.
Up there in the top. And then there's a picture of Old Blue, which you went to all the Anaheim truck shows. I don't know what happened to it. He used to do like the DOT stuff or whatever for the
Yeah,
Anaheim.
he usually pulls the trailer
Yeah.
for the highway patrol.
I don't know where it's at or what happened to it, but
Okay.
a
That
lot of
wasn't
these
that long ago.
a lot of these trucks are just I don't know where they went.
Unfortunately, the California Air Resources Board has gotten rid of a lot of cool stuff.
Yeah, we don't
Yeah.
want
What they
We
claim
don't
is
wanna go
dirty or
there.
not.
we don't want
You know what I'm saying?
We don't want to start there.
We have a lot to say about carb.
All right. Well, let's go make our way back outside.
Okay.
Did you get the sign? Can you make that?
Yeah.
Probably from
I'll
outside.
From the outside
we can
because
see it
of
better from outside.
a lot of the lights.
Yeah, we'll get to see it better from outside. Wow.
It's simple.
Yeah, S.E. Rykoff.
I remember those delivering
Uh,
Tyson chicken back
yes,
to
sir.
downtown
Yeah.
LA.
S.E.
As
Rykoff.
a kid.
That was their fleet. And they're long gone.
Yeah, they turned into Cisco or
Yeah,
U.S.
exactly.
Foods or something
Exactly.
like that.
But all these pictures in here when trucks were like real trucks. And,
Oh, yeah.
company trucks were company trucks and not just plastic.
What do you
Let
got
me
there?
let me show you something real quick.
Please.
So back when it was the casino was rolling and Bob had everything, he even had these chips made
How cool is that?
for when they would have play poker. The other trailer had a bar in the front and actually had
You had to buy these chips in order to drink at the bar.
the
Because
other
it
trailer.
was illegal for them in the state of California. It's illegal for you to have a casino. So, unless you're an Indian. Then
So the other trailer had two
really
poker
cool.
tables, so they would play poker. And
good for one drink.
so we have all these.
We have these.
We found all these in the chests and everything. so that
That's
was
like
pretty cool.
finding silver dollars or
Right?
gold dollars,
It
you
is,
know?
Exactly,
It is
right?
5,
Those are-
25, 100, and 500.
Those are priceless.
So
Yeah.
we set it up and we're gonna play a game.
We're
of
gonna try to
poker
play
later.
some poker tonight.
That's awesome.
Go around to the back and check out the back of the.
So when people come to the show, what are some of the favorites when they look at this truck? What do they point out?
Oh, a lot of people like the spoke wheels, all the lights. Everybody goes crazy with all the lights. Because it's old school 80s.
Awesome.
And not a lot of people. with the bar, you know, you don't see too many trailers with bars in
This
them.
is the first time
So-
I've seen it.
But
Well, Mark, thank you so much for allowing us to come inside and bringing this here and reviving some of the history of it.
that's what we're trying to bring it back to its glory. You know, this old stuff is gone by the wayside. So